Sanbonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. It looks like your guys' fave has decided to take things serious and take herself seriously by, taking things to the next level. So you guys, one thing I noticed was that Vuyokazi actually got her account verified, which basically means, that blue tick that normally comes that some celebs and some famous people will have near their accounts, that blue tick. I noticed she had this. She had that on her profile or across her name. She changed her profile as well, her profile picture. And I'm just like, listen, girl is taking herself seriously, and girl is starting to treat herself like a brand. Listen, I was very happy about this because one thing I've said from the get-go, that if anything, I feel like all of these ladies and everyone who's included in this whole thing of Izingane Zesthembu, since it's such a hot topic, that they should take advantage of that and really use it to use it to their advantage. So I guess girl, is taking herself seriously as a brand and got her account verified. Because I mean, once people see your account verified, people take you seriously. Also, another thing, you guys, that verified tick, it's not something that Instagram gives you. You actually pay for it. You pay for it each and every month. So for you to take the step and be willing to pay for that verification tick each and every month means, Uguchi, you want to separate yourself from other accounts, and you want people to know that this is the real Vuyokazi account. And maybe brands will also take you much more seriously. And yeah, you guys, it really looks like Ugel's mentality is now changing and taking this whole thing much more seriously, and hence she's willing to invest in such things like that tick, that verified tick. So yeah, I'm happy about that. I really wish Vuyokazi all the best. Now that it looks like she is no longer with the Mselego family, I know Vuyokazi is loved, well known, you guys. So you know what? I don't even foresee her struggling when it comes to brands and all of that. You know what? If she's gonna take herself seriously, we're gonna be able to see it. Brands are gonna be able to see it, and meaning that they will be more willing to work with her. Yeah, so I'm happy about that. You guys, tell me what you think about this. Please make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.